Okay, hear me out. What if I told you your entire vibe, like your go to fits, the reason you obsess over a certain color, or the accessory you keep wearing and re wearing over and over again, could literally be written in the stars? And yes, I'm talking about astrology meets fashion. If you've ever wondered why some people are natural born thrifters and could literally thrift every single day, and meanwhile, Susie over there is a minimalist icon, or even why does your style just go full blown alien core during Mercury retrograde? Buckle up, because today we are diving into what planet literally rules your style. Okay, let's talk about astrology and style 101 for all of you. So astrology is not just about finding your sun sign. It's a whole chart. There's so much to it that you can dive into. And of course, that also pertains to fashion. So it's a whole mood board. So when it comes to fashion, we want to look at your ruling planet in your chart. That's the planet that governs your rising sign. Or you could say the vibe you give off when you walk into a room and everyone's looking at you, or the fit check you get before even saying hello. Today, I'm breaking down every single rising sign and their associated ruling planet. And that way, you'll be able to figure out what is your style DNA. Now, if you don't know what your rising sign is, that's totally fine. Just pause this video. Make sure to be back though. Go on astro.com where you can pull up a free birth chart for yourselves and your friends. You're going to need three things. You're going to need your birth time and date. You're going to need birth time specifically. It's very important that it is exact. Your birth date, time, and birth location. When you've got those three things, you'll be able to pull up your birth chart and find out which is your rising sign. Now, let's get to it. In this next part, we're going to be looking at every single rising sign and its associated ruling planet, and of course, its style vibe. Now, if you are a Leo rising, your planet is the sun. So, the style vibe for the sun, you are thinking bold statement pieces and accessories, like main character energy. You're that person that will wear sunglasses indoors and no one is going to question that. So, again, gold, animal prints, designer labels. If it's loud, you love it. Think about examples. Zendaya, Dua Lipa could be good examples of that, or just any human spotlight will do the job for this one. If you are a Cancer rising, your ruling planet is the moon. Now, the style vibe is soft, nostalgic, cottage core with a hint of vintage melancholy. So you're dressing based on mood, essentially. You own cardigans that feel like hugs, and you thrift like it's a religion. Now, next up, we have Gemini and Virgo rising will have Mercury as its ruling planet. Its style vibe is clever, chaotic, detail focused. You are the trend forecaster in your group of friends. You're always two steps ahead, mixing high and low end fashion. Geminis go eclectic, Y2K core, while Virgos are known to be more minimalist, classic, timeless. If you are a Taurus or a Libra rising, your ruling planet is Venus. Aesthetic is everything for you guys, and you literally romanticize everything and your outfits. Taurus risings are texture gods, silks, velvets, you name it. Libra risings, on the other hand, are perfectionists. It's all about that symmetry. It's basically an Instagram filter, but in real life. Now, if you're Aries rising, it's all about Mars. The style is hot, fast, and sporty. You look like you're either coming from the gym or a fight club. I'm talking streetwear, combat boots, red accents. Yeah, your outfit could literally throw a punch. Now, if you are Sagittarius rising, your planet is Jupiter. Jupiter's style vibe is global, funky, and totally free spirited. You're mixing prints from 5 different countries and somehow it works. So, big coats, big hats, and big laughs. You're that friend that's got the most stamps in their passport and somehow always manages to find the wildest thrift finds. Capricorn rising is all about Saturn as its planetary ruler. Saturn's style vibe is all about boss core, quiet confidence, and timelessness. You love structured, tailored pieces and outfits, that neutral color palette. You're basically when old money meets dark academia. So you dress like you're the CEO because you are, let's face it. If you're a Aquarius rising, your ruling planet is Uranus. Its style vibe is futuristic, almost weird and rule breaking. So you basically wear what others will not. Think cybercore, deconstruction, avant garde. You're like a walking fashion think piece. If you're a Pisces rising, your ruling planet is Neptune. Neptune's style vibe is dreamy, ethereal, and fluid. So you're basically in your fairy era 24/7. So I'm talking tulle, iridescent fabrics, and outfits that look like they've been pulled from a Sofia Coppola dream sequence. So you don't dress for Earth, you literally dress for like planet Dreamland. If you're a Scorpio rising, your ruling planet is Pluto. Pluto's style vibe is mysterious, powerful, and seductive. So think all black everything, not basic, but transformative. So you're either going to be wearing a beautiful leather trench coat or an outfit that screams, don't talk to me unless you've got really deep emotional depth. Lastly, let's quickly talk about how style is power. So look, fashion isn't just surface level, right? It's expression, it's energy, it's cosmic. So when you dress in alignment with your ruling planet, you really tap into that personal power, your signature energy. More importantly, you stop following trends and you start channeling your own. It's not about dressing like anybody else. It's about dressing like your truest self, but like times 10 with a little bit of like stardust sprinkled on it. So you tell me, what planet rules your style? Drop in the comments below. I would love to find out. Let me know what's your rising sign and we can have a convo around it. So if you've loved this fashion astro tea, give it a like, smash that subscribe, and share it with a friend of yours that you know needs to get in alignment with their fashion and cosmic sense. And don't forget to check out, I'll link down below in the description box, direct links to all my e-guides where I go step by step with you in teaching you and helping you how to dress in alignment based on your rising signs. So until next time, stay cute, stay weird, stay intergalactic. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next episode.